Confused about which antenna is best for your vessel? Today we'll delve into different pointing antenna solutions, OMNI, Ripple and WAVEHUNTER, to help you determine which is the best for your needs. Hi everyone, I'm Edward from Poynting. Let's get started. Let's start with OMNI Antennas. These are designed for easy installation and reliable performance. Perfect for leisure boats, yachts up to 50 feet and coastal fishing boats. These antennas are installed on a mast or on a railing with cables routed to the 5G router in the cabin. This is a suitable solution for the size of vessel. Next we have Ripple and WAVEHUNTER antennas. These solutions integrate the router within the antenna enclosure, eliminating the need for coaxial cables running from the router to the antenna. This makes installation quicker and easier. Use the Ripple for vessels over 50 feet or on power yachts and commercial shipping vessels. The WAVEHUNTER is a perfect fit for cruise liners, super yachts and offshore working vessels. Let's look at the cost and time savings. Using Ripple and WAVEHUNTER on larger vessels can save you both time and money. Here's the comparison table. You'll see that on smaller vessels, OMNI Antennas is a perfect fit. But on larger vessels, it's better to use Ripples or WAVEHUNTERs. Ripple and WAVEHUNTER antennas offer significant savings in material and installation time, typically on vessels larger than 50 feet. So, when should we use Ripple, WAVEHUNTER or OMNI antennas? The evolution of moving towards dome antenna solutions due to standardization of 5G routers in shipping. For example, 4x4 MIMO requires 4 coaxial cables, which is expensive and inflexible, making installation more time consuming and prone to signal loss. To summarize, OMNI antennas best for robust connectivity, but involve more labor and cost due to multiple cable runs on large vessels, but suitable for vessels smaller than 50 feet. Ripple antennas ideal for quick and cost-effective installation, with the router integrated into the antenna, ideal for vessels between 50 and 100 feet. WAVEHUNTER, similar to Ripple, offering integrated solutions with significant savings in installation time and cost, especially for vessels larger than 100 feet. Choosing the right antenna depends on your specific needs and the environment in which you'll be using it. Thanks for watching. For more information on our antenna solutions and to find out the best antenna for your vessel, visit our website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.